Just taking a quick look at the investigation engine to see how time is being invested. And I just noticed that this client has 15 hours invested in their website. So I'm just going to investigate that a little bit to see who's been working on it. Okay, looks like the bulk of it, 9.8, almost 10 hours, has been Sophia. So I'd like to know if she's writing content manually still or if she's using any of our AI tools. So I'm just going to back up here and select Sophia from the list. And then I'm going to just isolate Latriska and drill down and look at the domain focus. So these are the domains that she used in the course of doing this work. So Google Docs, word processor, looks like might be some research documents, Grammarly, obviously, and there's no indication she's using any kind of AI tool at all. So let's just see if possibly she used the one built into our application. Let's go in and see the screenshots. Okay, looks like she did start there. But as you can see, a total of 2 minutes and 11 seconds and 19 seconds. So clearly no real intent to use it as a content generation tool. So out of the 9 hours and 1 minute, it looks like about 2 or 3 minutes was spent kind of experimenting a little bit. So this is an example of a writer that needs to be reminded that our whole workflow is now changed. And this is really easy to see when you take a look at the investigation. We just discovered all that in, 2 minutes.